All right, here we go. Arthritis, some issues. What could possibly go wrong? This is gonna be fun. You have to take here because there's something here that's just out of this world. Yes, it is. You ready? Let's go. I hate these rocks with the holes in them. Now just remember, don't trip and you're fine. There's nothing to worry about if you don't trip. It's like saying, don't think of a pink elephant. What enters your head immediately when you think of a pink elephant? Or when you think of not thinking of a pink elephant? Don't trip. Fuck. As long as you don't trip, you're fine. Ow. This is almost kind of like it's been engineered to keep round rocks away, because if you're a round rock, you'll roll down the hill and you'll hit yourself on something, and then you'll be I guess a still rock. Remember, as long as you don't trip, you're good. Right? Whoa. Look, see that's just, whoever put that there was just, that's not right. That's cheating. You can't trap people. See, when the beach doesn't take any effort to get to, it's not really an accomplishment. When you have to work for it a little bit, then you feel like you earned it. I just feel like I earned sunscreen in my eye right now. Almost there. Take a break to get the sunscreen out of my face. Now here's the million-dollar question. Does this rock move? Well, we'll want to find out. YOLO! Ah.